Jokanyo ne riwruok mano mar jopuonj sekondar Kupet onyiso luoro margi e wiliet mano mar siasa e pacho kae ka bende ma obiro e sechego mago matulo osebed ka ineno e gwenge mopogore opogore e pacho kae. Kane gitwak kod jofwambo e boma mano ma Nairobi odiochieng' ma kawuono, jatelo mano mar riwruogno okoni jopuonj mago mathoth sani to koro nitiere kod luoro e kindgi kaluwore kotende kod arita margi, ka bende gisebedo ka gikwayo mar mondo mi odargi e kuondego mago ma bende nitie liet mar siasa.
Kupet National Executive Board has noted with concern the rising political tension in the country, which has the potential to disrupt education services. Realizing that teachers are all over the country, we are really concerned that some reckless politicians from both sides of divide are making statements that are likely to work against the interest of education and particularly the teachers. Political leaders are continuing to set the wrong example by inciting Kenyans against their fellow citizens as a means of winning political power. Kupet has received disturbing information regarding the high level of ethnic incitement in Nyandarua County, where rival politicians are campaigning for Olkalao by-elections. Dozens of so-called non-local teachers have applied for transfers out of the county, fearing for their safety following repeat warnings to members of their ethnic groups.
Tunatoa onyo kwa wanasiasa na viongozi ambao wanatoa matamshi na kuelekeza injili ya ukabila na kuambia wale ambao sio wa sehemu fulani waweze kuondoka, kwamba hiyo hatutakubali kama chama, kama walimu, sababu walimu ni baadhi ya wale watu ambao wanaeneza ile utangamano na kukuja pamoja kwa inji. Kumbukeni, azma moja ya elimu ni kuleta ile ushirikiano ama unity katika nchi yetu.
A whole leader speaks to his community to extend animosity to the people working within the county. If there is anything that should be done, is to call out the leader. Because how do you incite your own people against people who are working with you in the same community? Teachers at the moment have no peace because they fear. They don't know when the orders that were given by the leader are going to be effected. We call upon all the leaders to be responsible for their utterances. And we also call upon the commission to take these threats seriously. If teachers are writing letters in numbers and asking to be removed.